How to buy just Ramadan guy token. So this token came under the symbol of Ramadan guy. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, take them out in the description. Now before we go and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 10 hours ago and increased by 400% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity are locked by 100%. That's meaning investment in a safe place. This token also ranks number 15 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it is a simple. Copy the token address from here. Open your funds wallet for that. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. After that, you will be able to redact to this page. You will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page, and as you can see here, turn it off and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a Ramadan guide token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.